Well, they're not just for the rich and famous. You too can take a cruise in a Bentley, or perhaps how about a Rolls Royce?
Well, these cars are up for rent. Channel 8's Brian Glenn is live with some car eye candy this morning. Brian, good morning.
I love it, guys, and officially I'm not going back to the station. Good morning. I'm with Benny Black, who's my new best friend here this morning at Platinum Motor Cars here in Dallas. And I got to tell you, you guys rent cars, but you also rent to a lot of rich and famous people.
Yes. Yeah. How you doing this morning, Brian?
I'm doing great.
This is probably the easiest, the funnest job you're going to find in Dallas, Texas, hanging out here at Platinum Motor Cars. We've got a little bit of everything. Right here, you're looking at the 2013 Rolls-Royce Ghost. Perfect for weddings, but I'll be honest with you, just to drive around. This is the car that you want to kind of play around in as well. And we got everything from Rolls-Royce down to even what I think is one of the most remarkable sports cars on the road today, the new Corvette, which is the Stingray in Laguna Blue. Beautiful car. But the fastest thing I've got on the streets, the McLaren MP412C, my man. And we've got this in a phosphorescent orange that I'm telling you, if you like attention, you will not miss getting attention in this car.
Real quickly, Benny, what is the sticker price on something like this?
The 12C come anywhere between $330,000.
Oh, it's no problem. You take a debit card?
Anything that you can get your hands on, my man.
But you say this is the hottest car. So if you want to be as cool as Ron Corning, this is the vehicle you need to be in.
This is the one you got to be in. Hands down, if you want attention, this is the attention getter.
What is this rent for a day, my friend?
I do $1,700 a day on this car.
Okay, I'll take a week. Is that good? We do that one time. Okay, let me look at this Rolls Royce one more time. Give me an idea of what this takes to take out the door and take it for a nice cruise.
You know, this one runs around the same price as the McLaren. I do it at $1,700 a day as well. This is very popular for weddings, as I said before. But this is the type of car that the way the Ghost is a lot smaller than the Phantom, people just want to drive it. And that's the majority of the people that are renting my cars is that type of clientele. Celebrities, wealthy people. But in a lot of cases, people want to try them before they buy. So this just kind of gives everybody a little chance to try something a little different than what they're used to. You got to be famous for a day.
I tell you what, you got the keys to this Lamborghini?
Oh, yes.
I'll be at the station in about 2 minutes, guys. Back to you in the studio.
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's about what it'll take. What a beautiful showroom, too. I mean, what would you expect with cars like that? It'd be a nice showroom as well. But $1,700 a day, I suppose if you're really splurging and you have that budget for a wedding, when it comes to a limo rental or something, you get that as a very special gift for someone.
That's an expensive limo.
Or everybody goes in on it together.
Only 2 people can fit into it.
Yeah, it's beautiful, that's for sure. Well, are you ready?